Some of the most common security threats that you'll have when you are navigating the internet, first of all, is what's known as a virus, computer virus, and this is usually a malicious software that can replicate itself from file to file or program to program. And leading on to that is another thing called a Trojan horse, or just a Trojan some call, and that's just a misleading file that can trick users, and it can hide itself as a regular file or a program, so people open it up or download it not knowing what it actually is. And this can actually, the major problem for this is it can give remote access to your computer, your system, or your network. So it's really a huge problem for anyone, essentially giving away the ability for anyone to control their computer remotely from really anywhere. And that takes us to another one, malware or adware, which used to be a much larger problem than it is now because it's blocked by a lot of extensions or ad blockers. But these are pop-ups or ads that used to happen every time a person would navigate the internet or open up an internet, to the point where it would make surfing or browsing virtually impossible. So another large one is called a worm, and this is a virus that can go from network to network. So it's essentially just a much larger, more dangerous version of a regular computer virus.